understand. Give the heading as Punjab Plains. Punjab Plains, as the name denotes, is the land of Punj Ab. Is the land of Punj Ab. What do you mean by Ab? Ab is nothing but river in which language? In Persian language. In the Persia, Ab means what? River. This is a land with 5 rivers. The land between 2 rivers, see this one, this point is very important. The land between 2 rivers, 2 means what? Do. Ab means what? River. The land between 2 rivers is called as Do-Ab region. Whenever you are seeing the river, suppose this is one river, this is another river, which are getting confluenced, forming as a main river and the tributary, the land between these 2 rivers is very, very fertile and more sought after region for cultivation. Why? Because this is the area every time natural replenishment of the soil will be taking place. What do you mean by natural replenishment? Where the minerals will be keep on adding in the soil. Why the minerals will be keep on adding in the soil? Because when the land is between 2 rivers, either this river will be flooding or this river will be flooding. When the rivers are flooding, what the river water, the flooding water will be bringing? The flooding water will be bringing sediments. The sediments, whenever they got deposited here in this region, the sediments are nothing but the broken rocky pieces. What is a rock? Rock is aggregate of minerals. New and fresh minerals will be added to this one. When the new and fresh minerals are added, the land will becomes naturally replenished. No need to add fertilizers. Do you understand? Therefore, the soil will be highly fertile. This is what called as Do-Ab region. Many wars entire in the India, even here in the, whenever you are seeing the South Indian history, the land, there was a very great fighting between Ahmednagar, the kings of Ahmednagar, the Tipu Sultan, then that means what Mysore, Ahmednagar, Bijapur, Gulbarga region, where there was a very great fight among the Nawabs. Why the Nawabs used to fight? Because of one Doab, nothing but Doab region here in South India called as the Raichur Doab. Very fertile. The Raichur Doab is the land between Krishna and Tungabhadra river. Could understand? The Doab regions are very, very fertile and most sought after region. If there is a question in the interview, when you go from this region, from especially the Deccan Plateau region, the question will be asked like this: what type of Doab you can find here in the Deccan Plateau? Then you say, sir, do you know Doab only in the Punjab area? Sir, there is no Doab. This is what we people feel like, but there is a very important Doab here in the Deccan Plateau region called as the Raichur Doab. Raichur Doab is a very, very sought after place because this one very great wars have happened here between Bijapur, Gulbarga, Ahmednagar, the Adil Shah. There is nothing but the Adil Shah kingdom where this is the very great happened in the medieval time period. Clear? Is it okay? All they are connected with the history, geography, everything. Even our economy is being related to this one. Clear? This is what called as the Doab region. Entire Punjab plains are made up of Doab regions. What are the Doabs? Come on, this part is very important. What are the Doabs where the Punjab plains are made up of? See the Doabs. What are the Doabs where the Punjab plains are made up of? See the rivers. The first and foremost is called as Indus, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas, Satluj. Right? What I said, the land between 2 rivers is a more sought after place, and at the same time it is highly fertile. What the Punjab plains are made up of? Whenever I am talking about the Punjab plains, don't think of just Punjab and Haryana of India. In fact, we got only 1/4 of the Punjab plains. 3/4 of the Punjab plains are there even today in the hands of Pakistan. We are discussing the entire Punjab plains of both Pakistan as well as India. Entire Punjab plains of Punjab, Pakistan, Punjab and Haryana are made up of doabs. What is a doab? Land between two rivers. What are the doabs? The doabs are very, very important. The first and foremost doab is called as Bist doab. The next one is called as Bari doab. It's called as Rachna doab. The next one is called as Chas doab. These are the 4 doabs where the Punjab plains are made up of. Entire Punjab plains, the plains that are present right now in the India, where they are spread in the geographical areas of Punjab and Haryana, also the plains of Punjab in Pakistan, all they are made up of these 4 doabs. What are the 4 doabs? Bist, Bari, Rachna, Chaj, 4. Okay, how to remember? See this one. The name is called as the Bist doab. What do you mean by Bist? The first 2 letters BI stand for Bias, ST stand for Sutlej. Whereas Bari, the first 2 for Bias, RI for Ravi. The Rachna doab, RA stand for Ravi, CHNA stands for Chenab. Then Chas, the first 3 letters relate to Chenab and J for Zeelam. These are the 4 very important doabs which are made of, which makes up Punjab plains, right? What are the 4 doabs which makes Punjab plains? Punjab plains are completely made up of doabs, nothing but doab regions. What do you mean by doab? The land between 2 rivers, do plus ab, 2 plus river. Do you understand? Why it is very fertile? Because any one of the river will be frequently flooding. Because of this one, new sediments will be coming and adding up to the soil. When the new sediments are being added to the soil becomes naturally replenished. Clear? Okay. If you get any doubt, just stop me in between, okay? Done with? No one is having any doubt. But what is this doab called as? I got a doubt. Come on now, tell me. That is what I am telling you. Some of the people got the doubt, but they fear to ask. If you are scared of, if at all you are feared of, what you will be doing in the administration? Oh, that fellow is a chief minister, that fellow is MLA, that fellow is a prime minister. If you don't ventilate your grievance, then how the grievance will be solved? How the problem will be solved? What is the name of this doab? It's called as Sindh Sagar. Okay, this is a Sindh Sagar doab. But don't include in the Punjab plains. It is not related to Punjab plains. Punjab plains are made up of 4 doabs. Is it okay? Fine? Don't include this one in the Punjab plains. Then move to the larger one called as the Ganga plains. Come on. This is very, very important.